CHZ especially faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ down roughly 1.66% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in a kind of significant way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week acquiring 1.7%, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. 01 November 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly sought clarification on some things, facts, what essentially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz, fundamentally is CHZ a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on in a very enormous manner. Yet, prior to jumping profound into the CHZ specialized investigation, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,991,402,849 in an unpretentious manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume really remains at $38,247,734,149, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially huge manner. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that CHZ in a real sense faces obstruction at 20 cents, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 4.76 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, showing that Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 1.7% in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which really is very huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an extremely descending course for present moment, which explicitly shows that CHZ basically faces our position at 20 cents, which especially is very critical. Right now, a by and large broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a by and large enormous manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become in every way that really matters, all the more exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how CHZ truly faces opposition at 20 cents, which truly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants truly become move pretty dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market really is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for commonly present moment, which in every practical sense shows that CHZ in a real sense faces opposition at 20 cents in a quite huge manner. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, generally is at $0.066, down 1.66% in the precise beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 1.7% over the course of the week in an in every practical sense, large way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 79,528,875.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $501,127,343 United States dollars, showing how the especially absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $38,247,734,149, or so they explicitly thought. There truly are practically 7,565,079,839 by and large are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market is going in a very descending heading for present moment, which really shows that CHZ explicitly faces obstruction at 20 cents, or so they truly thought. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 01 November 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span, fundamentally made sense of underneath, showing how XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 4.76 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, exhibiting that Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 1.7% in an essentially enormous manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Chilliz, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum in every practical sense has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that CHZ for the most part faces obstruction at 20 cents, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin generally is right now floating at 28 for 14 days, by and large normal line, which essentially implies CHZ fundamentally is in oversold zone, and a pattern sort of inversion for the most part is conceivable, exhibiting that CHZ especially faces our position at 20 cents, or so they by and large thought. The Chilliz for the most part has by and large break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things generally are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, so however prior to jumping extremely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a truly significant manner. At present, generally bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take CHZ cost underneath the urgent help level of 17 cents, so these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in every practical sense, descending heading for pretty present moment, which sort of shows that CHZ faces opposition at 20 cents. The CHZ United States dollar moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, pointer explicitly is showing a truly present moment generally sell kind of sign, as the MACD line sort of is moving beneath genuinely signal line which generally implies essentially bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $38,247,734,149 in a genuinely enormous manner. While CHZ's Williams % R pointer generally is at 61.238 for the 14-day time